Hi children, good morning to all. I hope you have read the story A Tree for All. Did you read? Hope you understood the meaning of it. And today we are going to do the exercise. Exercise A. Tick the words to complete the sentences. First question, a banyan tree can grow as tall as a palace or a three-storied building. The banyan tree will grow like a three-storied building. Yes or no? So tick on it. Banyan tree grow in wide open places or in cities? In wide open places. The roots of banyan tree that come down from its branches are called. banyan tree का branch में से roots नीचे आते हैं ना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? branch roots और hanging roots. Yes, hanging roots. Okay. Now look at the exercise B. Circle the correct words to complete the sentences. Rose, palm, banyan trees have one thick trunk. Only one thick trunk. There is no branches for it. Which is that one? Rose have branches and palm have only one thick trunk. There is no branches. Palm is the correct answer. Next one. Children, elephants, mice love to swing from the hanging roots of the banyan tree. Who like to swing from the hanging roots of the banyan tree? Children or elephants or mice? Yes, children love to swing from the hanging roots of banyan tree. Next one. We see many banyan trees in museums, cities or open places. Where do we see the banyan trees? Museum? No. In cities? No. Then open places? Yes. So tick on it. It looks like a palace or biscuit or bridges standing on pillars. It means banyan tree. Banyan tree looks like a palace or biscuit or bridges. Yes, like a palace standing on pillar. Next one. Birds, squirrels, insects and bats live in the wheat or banyan or sugarcane tree. On which tree these birds, squirrels, insects and bats live? Yes, they are living on banyan tree. Now look at the exercise C. Answer these questions. Why are banyan trees useful for us? Banyan tree का यूज़ क्या है? Banyan tree are useful because they give shade. निशा देते किसको? To people and animals. So banyan trees are useful because they give shade to people and animals. Okay. Next one. Why do banyan trees grow only in open places? Why do banyan trees grow only in open spaces? Because they need lot of space. Yes or no? So we learned in the story. So banyan trees need a lot of space so that they grow only in the open places. Next, what are hanging roots? What are hanging roots? banyan tree का roots ऊपर से नीचे आ रहे branches को support करने के लिए, isn't it? So that roots are called hanging roots. The roots that can be seen hanging from the branches are called hanging roots. Okay. Next one. Why do elephants love this tree? Why do elephants love this tree? Elephants love this tree because it has enough leaves for them to eat. Yes or no? There are plenty of leaves on the banyan tree. So the elephants loved this tree because it has enough leaves for them to eat. Okay, now look at the exercise D. What a lot of trunks. Here the long nose of an elephant is called a trunk. Elephant का nose क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, trunk. The main stem of a tree is called a trunk. The main stem of this tree also is called a trunk. Then we carry clothes and books in a trunk. This box also is named as trunk. Then boys wear trunks for swimming. Swimming time, boys wear this one. What is this? This trunks. Okay, so all these are called trunks. So whenever we should understand the meaning of trunks, we must know the sentences. By the sentence only we could understand what they are meaning by trunk. The long nose of an elephant is called a trunk. So we understood the nose of this is called a trunk. So in the same way, make it two sentences with the word trunk. Write them in your book. Okay, so you have to make a sentence with this word trunk. My grandma has a trunk to keep her clothes. Or you can write, my brother used to wear trunks for swimming. Now look at the exercise E. Add one word to each set of words. So one more word you have to add with each of the set. Crow, sparrow, myna. All these are names of birds. So we have to add one more bird named swan. In the same way, Christmas, Pongal, Diwali. Here the names of festivals. Write one more name of the festival. Here you can write Holi, Holi, Holi. Next one, prince, princess, king. So prince, princess, king. Then what do we write here? Queen. So write here queen. Chair, desk, bed. These are furnitures. So you have to write here sofa. Another name of any furniture you can write. Bench or anything. April, May, June. These are the names of months. So you can write another name of month, July. Okay. Now see the exercise F. Name the pictures. Use words from the box. By using these names, you have to write the name this picture. Whistle, whale, wheel. Which one is whistle? Yes, this is the picture of whistle. So you have to write the spelling of whistle here. WHISTLE. Okay, next. What is this one? Yes, wheel. So we have to write the spelling of wheel here. Then who is this one? Whale. So write the spelling of whale. Okay. Look at the exercise G. Add ed to the words within the brackets and fill in the blanks. We have to add ed with the verbs which is given in the bracket. Pull means pulled. Lift, lifted. Chew, chewed. So for example, first one, the elephant lifted his trunk. Lifted. Elephant. What did the elephant do? Elephant lifted his trunk. This nose of this elephant is called a trunk. So इसे ऊपर करके क्या करा? And dash some leaves. क्या करते उधर से? Pulled. What do we say? Pulled. So write PULLED. Pulled. Pulled and pulled some leaves. He then dashed on them for a long time. And after pulling the leaves from the tree, what did he do? After pulling the leaves from the tree, what did he do? He chewed. 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 Next one. Granny dash under the banyan tree and dash to the music. Listen and rest. Listen, ed लगा के listened. Rest, ed लगाते तो rested. Granny dash under the banyan tree. What did she do at first? Yes, rested. R-E-S-T-E-D, rested under the banyan tree and dash to the music. Listen will become listened. Listened. Listened to the music. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D, listened to the music. Next one. The birds dash while the monkeys dash from branch to branch. Jump and chirp. And jump will become jumped and chirp will become chirped. And who will chirp? Who used to chirp? Yes, birds used to chirp. So we have to write here C-H-I-R-P-E-D, chirped. While the monkeys will jump. Jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped from branch to branch. Okay. Exercise J, work with your partner. Spot a difference between the picture A and B. Find out the difference between this picture. Here you can see in the book there are pictures and here there is empty space. And here there is one squirrel and here there is no squirrel. So such a way you find out the difference between these two pictures. Okay. Now look at the exercise K. Look at the pictures and answer this question. You have to look at the picture and answer for these questions. What are Neha and Sam doing? Neha and Sam are sweeping the floor. Question number 2. What is Papa doing with bread and vegetables? Yes, Papa is making a sandwich. Papa is making a sandwich. Next one. What is Sujal doing? What is Sujal doing? Sujal is playing with her toys. Next. What are Kara and Saba doing? Kara and Saba? Yes, they are watering the plants. So right there, Kara and Saba are watering the plants. Next, what is Abu doing? Abu is talking on the mobile. Okay, is it clear to you, children? Okay, children, I hope you understood the exercises and question answers. Write the question answer in your copy and do the exercise in your book and study well. Thank you.